On, David.
I don't know. I think something's about to happen.
Okay, let's find out.
Aftershock.
Aftershock or maybe pre-shock.
What's up, baby? Where you from, dog? Throw it up, man. Why don't you throw it up and let me see?
That's it, man. You're doing good.
No problem.
You know what? I think I'm not a virgin anymore.
Oh my god. You have me violated? Okay, Job, you're next.
Nah, man.
No, Job, you need to get in there. I'll get another song for you. You want a Daisy song?
Nah, man. This is fine. This is fine.
No, sit down. This sound you can
fine,
you can grab your ears. Okay. I feel for him. I feel bad for him now. It looked like you were in pain. Man, Job got a bad song. That was a very bad song. That really was painful. That kind of hurt me.
You want me to hold it for you?
Okay, I'm running. Let's see. We can't play the same song. Oh, no, not this one.
Money, 50 bucks a
Looks like he got the lows. He got the lows.
What about her, bro?
Oh, you want to come on in?
Does it hurt your ears?
Nah.
You have the right to grab your ears.
Okay.
I don't like that song. There are too many bad words in there.
What's the best song you have?
Let's see.
But don't tape me, don't video.
Okay.